to in subsection.
Ummeli kakhomishana wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uAdvocate Samphahlele uthe umbiko webhodi elibheka izicelo zabantu abafuna ukukhululwa ngoshwele wokugula akona wodwa odingekayo ukuze kuthathwe isinqumo sokukhulula umuntu.
Dr. Mafa says this is what the applicant is. This is his medical condition. Sets it out, and therefore he applies for medical parole. And then the Act has made a special provision for a body that will evaluate that application and actually make a recommendation.
And the report by the medical advisory and parole board, therefore, cannot be the one that makes that determination as to whether the sentenced offender is terminally ill or not. That report is an additional one wherein it will make a recommendation in terms of whether medical parole should be granted or not. So therefore it is not binding on the National Commissioner. It has been, as has been submitted by the respondent.
Amajaji afune ukwazi ngombiko kaDokotela owawuchaza ngokugula kukaZuma.
Read that question before the question mark alongside the Act. It says, is the offender, Mr. Zuma, suffering from a terminal disease or condition? And I'm saying it says, which is chronic. That terminal disease or condition, is it chronic? Yes.
Umpofu ugxeke imizamo yokufuna ukukhipha imininingwane yokugula kukaZuma esidlangalaleni.
Commissioner stated that he, is what I've just said, was unable to disclose the remainder of the record because A, Mr. Zuma refused to consent to the disclosure of the remainder of the record in any form, even under a confidentiality regime, and B, parts of the record were in possession of the South African Military Health Services, who refused to transfer possession. Because after all, we're dealing here with a former head of state. So his medical records, as by definition, are classified.
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.